This video will show you how to quickly make random Google Meets to create breakout rooms for your students. The first thing you're going to want to do is just write out some room numbers. I usually put mine in a table because I assign kids to them. So I would insert a table and decide how many groups there were. And then I just name them room 1, room 2, room 3, and so on. And then in this second column, I would list the student names of who was going to be within that group. Now to create the meeting codes, we are going to go and I'm going to generate my meeting link for this. Now I have that meet code going, and I'm going to paste it. The only part I want is up to lookup and that slash, so you can get rid of the rest of that. Then, this is the fun part, you're just going to type some random letters and numbers. There's no length that it has to be. I kind of feel like the longer the better, because the chance of it being a duplicate with somebody else in the world at the same time is extremely low. And I know this is not a perfect solution, but it is a solution until they figure this whole breakout room out for us. Alright, so I got these codes. I'm going to grab this link and I need to put it in front of each of these random codes to make the rooms. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste in front of each of these groups that I did. Now it's suggesting, so I'm going to have to paste this way. Paste. Now each of these is going to be a random code. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to take and select this entire link right here, and you can copy it or you can cut it. So if you are someone like me who might not remember which one I just grabbed, you might want to actually cut it. So edit and cut. That copies and removes it. This is the one I want to link. Room 1, I'm going to add the link to that. So then let's say Ben and Avery are in this room. Next one, I'm going to go down, and again I'm going to cut, insert link, and paste. And then I would have the names of the students for that room. So I'm going to do that for each room. You don't need to change these. Cut, paste, cut, select, insert link, and paste all the way down. So like I said, you don't need to change these ever. You're going to run into possibly issues of kids hopping from room to room, but I think that's just an expectation that we set up, that you're not doing that. You will have this document. You can send it out to all of the students with all of the rooms in here, or if you want to, you could just email the link to the students that are in that room so that they wouldn't each have the links to all of the classes that would prevent hopping from room to room. Not that they couldn't share the room they're in anyway, which is why I think it might just make sense to share the whole document with your class and then set up those expectations.